Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jason with ThruNite, and today we're going to be talking about a new flashlight, the BSS V4. So as you may know, the BSS series is a collaboration with a video creator here on YouTube known as Black Scout Survival.
What's going on, guys? Jack, the owner of Black Scout Survival. Throughout the years, I've reviewed hundreds of different flashlights from all kinds of different manufacturers, and ThruNite has always stuck out to me to be an affordable brand you can trust. And I'm so happy that we could move the BSS series with ThruNite, or the Black Scout Survival series of lights.
This edition of the BSS is our latest version of a light, and we're bringing it under the ThruNite umbrella, which means you're going to be getting the ThruNite customer service, 2-year warranty, things you're used to having when you buy a ThruNite flashlight. So let's get into the light with a quick unboxing. So in the box, you're going to have the light itself. You can see this is the Desert Tan version. I think it's a great looking option. You can see that it has a strike bezel. It is optional and can be unscrewed, but it's going to be great for self-defense or breaking glass if you ever need it. I think it looks great with it on, especially this tan version. The light feels really good. It's well constructed, but also surprisingly lightweight, making it a great accessory for everyday carry or attaching it to other tactical equipment, and its 1-inch diameter makes this easy. When you first get your light, unscrew the tail cap and take out the small insulator sheet so that the light can power up for the first time. Also in the box is the manual, a really neat red lens cover, the holster, a USB charging cable, and the lanyard and a few spare parts. Here's the tan version side by side with the black version. We are selling both simultaneously, available on ThruNite.com.
Has a rechargeable battery, can use CR123s, 2 of those. Has a strike bezel, you can use it to break a glass, you can remove it to go through a security checkpoint. You can put a red lens filter that we provide on there as well for tactical situations where you need to preserve your natural night vision.
So the BSS V4 has 6 modes: low, medium, high, turbo, firefly, and strobe. Just hold the side switch to change between low, medium, and high modes, with double clicking for turbo and triple clicking for strobe. Firefly is about a half a lumen, low is 33 lumens, medium is 350 lumens, high mode starts at just over 1400, and turbo mode is just over 2500 lumens. The one-click turbo on the tail switch is going to be an incredible feature if you need a lot of light very quickly. It uses an 18650 rechargeable battery, and the benefit here is it's not proprietary. You can pick up and use any similar 18650 battery. I want to emphasize again how incredibly lightweight the BSS feels. It is not a heavy flashlight. If you are backpacking or doing any other activity where a heavier flashlight is not optimal, the BSS is going to be a great choice for you.
Just keep a lookout for more products in the BSS series. And again, so happy working with ThruNite. They're just a great brand that you can really depend on and doesn't hurt your pocket. Thanks, guys.
So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe again so you won't miss out on future videos that I make with the BSS V4, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.